So this is gonna be a long video. I went all over this resort. It's my first time here. I went to both sides, this side and the luxury side, just to take a look. I walked around the whole property. So just a heads up, this video is long. And it's just me by myself. I don't have no special editing equipment. I don't have no editing team. I don't have none of that. It's just me walking around, videoing, getting content the best way I can without making anybody around me feel uncomfortable. Because, people are kind of funny. They don't want to be video. You never know. So just come with me, like and subscribe. And I'm going to do my best to get as much content as possible. And you guys let me know what you think in the comments, where I could go better, where I can go next. Thank you. So this is the pool area. The pool is massive. This is the biggest pool I've ever seen. It goes from the regular side all the way to the luxury side. This pool is massive and it's beautiful. I wish I had a drone to video the pool from above. It's very beautiful, especially at night because it's lit. So I can't put into words how beautiful the pool is. And I think that probably all the resorts on the island, this has the biggest pool. So yeah, this is it's very beautiful. Going up these steps, they're a workout. I guess it's good. After all the eating and drinking, it's good to get the workout wherever you can. But sometimes at nighttime you're tired and you have to go up these stairs. Oh man, it's it's hard. What I recommend to anyone, make sure you get a room that's on the third floor or above, and try to get a room, if you can, that is directly facing the pool. So you can, when the sun rises, it faces your room, if you can. So this is the main bar area where you can go in and have your drink, watch your sporting event. It's bar slash lounge. This is the main one. It's really nice. Everybody here is very nice, very comfortable. You can always find a spot for your group. Really nice hangout area. Oh, the entertainment. It was amazing, especially this particular guy. He was so talented. He was singing like different Rasta songs, but hit songs, and it was really good. He was very, very talented. He has a beautiful voice. The entertainment is mainly like the music is mainly held here, right beside the bar. Even that day it was a rainy day. It's the same day I think we went to Dulce Vita, and people still came out. And then the main bar is on the other side. They performed lots and lots of hits. Very, very talented. So we're in the same place again, and this is another person doing some music. The drinks are really good, but you have to be careful though. They serve it strong. The view is beautiful from upstairs. The grounds is very well kept. I mean, like 24/7. They're like there's always people doing things on the grounds to keep it looking beautiful. Very well kept. There's another room, another look at the room. I would say room tour. What I recommend, you have to make sure you have a slippers because it's tile. It is very cold in the morning. I think it's very cold in general, so you got to make sure you walk with some slippers. You got to make sure you have your slippers for outside and you have your slippers for inside. I like the room. It's nice, it's big, it's spacious. The only thing I will continuously complain about is internet. I don't like the idea that to get high-speed internet, you have to pay. You have to pay, and only one device at a time can get internet. And the internet is like, it's almost like you don't even have internet. I don't like that, because what if you bring your kids? They should do that on the luxury side. Usually you go on the adult-only luxury side, there's no kids, right? What if you have your kids, they need their iPads, their different devices. You have to spend money to get them internet, extra money. So I feel like to me, that's just dibby-dibby. I don't like that. That's just, I don't know, man. That's just, I don't know. I don't know what the word to use right now, but I don't like that. And all the all-inclusive I've been to in Jamaica, this is the only one. They even have like this thing where you only allowed one towel, which I kind of like that rule because normally all the best spots, you'll go there by the pool and there'll be somebody's towel on the seat. With this, you get one towel with your key card, and when you return the towel, you get back your key card. I guess just to keep everybody honest. This is a dining room by the beach, so you can have breakfast, lunch, and dinner by the beach. This is open 24 hours, so late at night after the performance, you feel a little peckish, you can come here and get food to eat. This is by the beach, or they can arrange for you to have dinner. They have another like patio that goes out even more in the water. You can arrange for that, where you could have dinner there. Food is good. Oh man, looking at this right now, I wish I could eat some of this food. I'm back in Canada now. It's cold. Cold and snowy. But yeah, this looks really nice. So I put some pictures in this video. Breakfast looks good. Oh man. Mmm. There are some more videos on the grounds. Out of all the resorts I've been to, I've never walked around as much. Like it seemed like this place never ended. It's massive. When we walked, and it was really good exercise. We walked all over the place. We till we couldn't walk anymore. And you kind of have to, because if you once you have breakfast, good luck having lunch, because they may not be in a room in your stomach. So we need to walk in. And here's a famous sign. Everybody takes pictures. Here's another beach. This day wasn't so sunny, but and the beach goes on forever. All the way out there on the left, that's all the property of the resort. And they have like this area where they do private massages on the beach.
Oh, you can
I
actually
think it's
walk
like
out
$200 US or something.
Step
Too
down
rich for
into
my
the
blood.
water.
$200 US for a massage. Yeah, no, sorry. You have your private massage right here. It's a little pricey though, 100 US for 50 minutes. I don't think that's worth it. You can see how massive the property is. Look how far I am away from the resort. The property is massive. But that's what I noticed. A lot of these older resorts, when they were built, they took up a lot of real estate. Because if you go to the newer resorts like Ocean Coral Springs and those newer ones, they're very small compared to these older ones. The Bahias and the Grand Palladium, they're usually the grounds are massive, massive, massive. It just looks like if you want like a nice adventure, go to an older resort. But yeah, this one, the food is good. Um, Grounds is like, it seems like you can always find somewhere new to go every day on the grounds, how big it is. Probably lots of mermaids here, you know. Look at the buoy. It's telling you don't pass this line. You see it? Like if you go over the buoy, you're on your own. Yeah, go to the pool area. This is kind of chilly though.
Cold?
No, like she wants to go into the pool,
Oh.
but I'm saying it's chilly
Oh.
for the pool, you know? You don't think so?
Because the sun gone. Right. It's going to make it warm. Yeah. It's done. That's right.
Nah. So this is outside. Every day this table is set up outside the main bar. There's always snacks and drinks every day. Like, man, I don't know. I can't stay at a resort more than maybe 3 or 4 days, you know, because the food, I can't help myself. I can't help myself. I feel like, it's all inclusive. It's like I'm obligated to eat. Oh, man. And then I don't even go work out. Who goes to a resort to go work out, No one's going to do that. It's rough. So this is by the pool. In one of the pool, at least, I should say. The front part. Yeah, and there's a bar. And they have, like, contests and things like that. And then it's nice. They blow up the slide and they do races so you can race. Music is good. I wish you guys could hear it. And they're on the mic making jokes. I will definitely recommend this resort to anyone. Whether you have a family or you don't, you're going to have a good time. The grounds is beautiful. And here's the food. Look at that. Oh, man.
I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah, good memories,
I was thinking the same.
Yeah. You should have walked with it, man.
Yeah.
This is nice. Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much.
That looks good. Yeah, so this is where they do a lot of the entertainment, the nightly entertainment. Usually out here is packed, but this night it was, but entertainment's really good. The music is good. And of course, we have our unlimited drinks. Yeah, I enjoyed everything about this resort. You need some like tubes, so you can just sit on it and just float all the way from the one end of the pool to the other end. Oh my. So this is the late night dining area by the water. So after the club or after whatever event, if you're feeling peckish, there's always food here. I'm telling you, bring your stomach. Sometimes, like, I'm here and I feel like I want to leave. I can't wait to leave because, it's all inclusive. You feel like you're obligated to eat. Yeah. It's funny, when you go to a resort, you meet a lot of interesting people from different parts of the world. So this is the club. This is our last night. Yeah, the club is really nice. Good choice of music. There's some guys that came though, and then they did like a striptease thing when they asked for some woman to come up and sit down. At first, they looked so simple, but then when they started dancing, oh man, these guys can dance. Yeah, we met some guys here from New York. And man, this guy's just giving us shots on top of shots. I had to tell him, no, brother, you know, I'm not trying to get drunk. Yeah, so this is our last night. So hopefully you guys liked the video. I don't have no professional editing team or nothing like that. It's just me by myself trying a thing. So I apologize if the camera was not straight most of the time. I'm a work in progress. So just like and subscribe for me. Help me to grow this channel. Like and subscribe. Thank you.